Let's do nails. Polygel Refill Edition.
First, grab your supplies. Let's take our drill bit to clean off whatever we had on our nails before.
Now is a good time to push down your cuticles, then wipe with rubbing alcohol. And let's get started with polygel. Squeeze some rubbing alcohol into a small container. Grab a small bead of your polygel and place it near the base of your nail. Leave a tiny space between the cuticles so you can push it down with your tools. This will allow you to make a nice apex and keep your nails from looking too clumpy. Now, polygel is really fun to work with. Just want to dip your brush into that rubbing alcohol and use it to pat and smooth down your nails. Let's cure for 1 minute, which felt like forever. Wipe off stickiness with alcohol, then shape and smooth with our nail files. Now let's get to the fun part. Take your base coat and cure for 1 minute and go in with 2 coats of your color. No worries if you mess up, you can always clean it up, so just have fun with it. So pretty. Let's go in with the top coat and cure. Finish off with something to moisturize your cuticles and hands. And there you have your pretty refills done at home. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.